subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing magic trick in which you're going to penetrate a coin through a glass or into a glass. So without any further ado, let's look at the performance. After that, we're going to get into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, you can see over here I have a coin and a glass. This glass is solid glass and made of glass, and this hand is empty. You can see this coin. I want you to keep an eye on this coin, okay? Watch this, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, the coin actually jumps from my hand and goes through the glass into the glass. So you can see over here that the coin is right, so the coin went right inside through the glass, right? Okay guys, this one is similar to that strike coin vanish, where you actually throw the coin and catch it while striking, just like this. 1, 2 and 3. So you actually threw the coin into this hand. So this is the same thing. I made a tutorial before on this move, the strike vanish, using the pen, and the link to that video is given in the video description. And you are doing the same thing with the glass, just that the glass top is open and over here you have the coin. So on the first 2 strikes, you're going to just strike it like this, 1, 2, and on the third strike you're going to just throw the coin a little bit up, and as you throw it, this time you go like this, you scoop the coin inside the glass and you strike it in your hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how you actually put the coin inside the glass, just like that. You also need to throw the coin and catch it inside the glass very fast so that the spectator doesn't know that how did you actually put the coin inside the glass. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Just like this. And that is how the magic trick actually works, and it's a very old trick. It's called the strike vanish, and you can use this effect for coin through the glass, just like that. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing coin through glass magic trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shol_Zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.